Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-01938 error in Oracle database 12c. So I am going to log in as a sysdba, that is I am going to log in as a DBA user in SQL Plus editor. Okay, now I am going to create one new common user. Okay, I am going to create a new common user. Create user C ## my user. Okay, you can see that ORA-01938 identified by must be specified for create user. So you can see that I have blindly typed the SQL query. So create user username alone is not enough. We need to supply the password to the user. So password means identified by is a password. Okay, identified by password. That is a full SQL query to create a user, common user. So create user C ## my user identified by tiger is a correct SQL query.